All right, gang. We got a few robalo this morning. That was what we were after. He snuck. We got a handful of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7.
I got this.
Nice, Mark. Beautiful.
I got this. I was very proud of myself.
Beautiful, beautiful fish. Yeah,
Oh,
good fish.
I
Oh,
lost it.
shit, and then you lost it. Nice little bag of robalo to start the day off. A little bit of ice, a little bit of robalo. 8, 9, no, 8. 8. Eight robalo.
4 Corvina.
4 Corvina. Okay, gang, this is a mangrove snapper. Little mangrove snapper. If you look at his coloration, he looks just like the mangrove roots. Little mangrove snapper right